Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today I'll show you how to create a sleek cutout mask transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, place the clips you want to transition between on the timeline, making sure they overlap each other by about 5 seconds. The second clip goes over to Video Layer 2. In the Effect Controls panel, under the Opacity, the 4-point polygon mask tool is used. Make the mask smaller and click the stopwatch icon next to Mask Path to set the starting keyframe. Holding Shift and using key arrows moves the timeline ahead 5 frames at a time. Every 5 frames, make the mask bigger until the whole screen is covered. Play the timeline to preview your cutout mask transition. And that's it. A quick and easy cutout mask transition in Adobe Premiere Pro.